Tenderloin is the only cut of beef for this dish. Marigold powder, sweet and smells like summer. There's something about bright mint and floral tarragon and parsley. Makes me happy. Kamali, citrusy, peppery, and it'll cut right through the richness of the beef. Georgia sits at the intersection of Europe and Asia. This is a culture influenced by the Greek, Persian, and Byzantine empires. Oh, and it also claims to be the birthplace of wine. Cornichon, thinly sliced, cut circles of roasted red pepper and beet pickle. Plating, my favorite part.
Check it out. You know we feelin' G-double-O-D. We are feelin' so G-double-O-D. We are feelin' so G-double-O-D. We ain't gon' debate it. How we feelin'? We ain't even gotta say it. Hey. My confidence is 10 feet tall. Come see how I manage. Ain't gotta have no crystal ball for you to see that magic. Exceed the average and be a savage and we can grab it. People look at me like, let me get a dose of all that he is having. Peep how they ratchet, they egomanic, so we don't match it. And we don't panic, cause if we want it, then we go at it. Energy, enemy, can't you see that I'm on the rise? Enemies envy me, I'm on a vibe.
Kamali is sour and savory. Marigold adds surprising sweet. Beef is the star. Beef broth. It is a deconstructed soup after all.
We are feeling so G-double-O-D. We are feeling so G.